Hi everyone, how you're doing? Opi, peitan pois sit sa, peit hopp tam. Let's do quick analysis. So we just took out previous daily high. Been going up all day. We have this right here is a 1 hour order block. 4-hour order block. We've got 50% at around here, so this fair value gap might still be the balancing point, or this one because it's lined up with the start of the order block. And we are going down right now, so 5 minutes still no break of structure yet. We did get an imbalance in here, and this does look like, yeah, that's a really strong push right here. So I'm expecting us to return to this point, maybe right around here. It also lines up with this breaker block. So that's a 2 minute fair value gap. Now we just gotta see what's up, what's about to happen. Let's take a look at the sessions. So New York just started. London took out. London basically only took out the Tokyo high. Now I think that this is like a strong manipulation move to top, and we're gonna go back down. So I'm waiting to see more structure till 9:30, and then we're gonna see what's about to happen. So if we would to jump in a trade in here, target these lows, that would be 18 points move. I'm expecting us to go under this one because this one kind of perfectly aligns with the first fair value gap, and it's right above the 4-hour order block. So I think that's a high probability liquidity level that we're gonna chase, that we're gonna be trying to take out. So right now I just have to see how this plays out. So yeah, still no actual setup. We did get like a shift here, but that was not the strong one. This one was good, but this one's the actual market structure shift, so we're gonna mark that out, because we also like ran through this bullish fair value gap and created another one inside of here. We're gonna put our stop loss above this. If we enter here, it does look like we are kind of in the middle of this whole expansion move. I'm expecting a retracement back up before continuing lower. Since the range is so big, I'm also expecting an actual structure of a market maker sell model inside of here. Let's take a look. Do we get an SMT at the top? So this top is at 833, 835, and this one's at 822, 833. Yeah, we get an SMT actually. It's quite clear. So no, sorry, this shit right here, this was also like a manipulation move, like a stop count. So we're just gonna mark that with a flag. That's how I do this stuff. Currently we are 0.12% in profit on the account. I just started the new account because I failed the previous one. I mean, it's the same account, I just got it reset, so we can actually continue to trade. So let me put on some music.
Clouds above me, would you find a way to send me aside? If heaven had a phone line, would I be the first one you would dial?
Okay, so I got notified that my screen wasn't working. Thank you for that.
Would you call me up?
Should be up now.
Would you say the things you wish you said that night? Yeah, if we had a second try, if heaven had a phone line, would you call me up from the other
Just getting marked. Okay, so previous daily high was taken. Asian high was taken out by London.
Would you say the
we're currently above the London Open, NY Midnight Open. The 8:30 candle opened here. So yeah, this could be the manipulation move. I've got a strong feeling that this is the actual manipulation move, and then we're gonna expand to the lower side, at least below this liquidity here, or maybe even lower. Unfortunately, we didn't get a return to the upside yet, so we just gotta stay patient, because I don't want to chase any price, because I could enter here and then immediately get screwed by a retracement up here, and I can't risk this much of a movement, because sometimes that's a whole trade for me. Can y'all hear me fine? Is the music too loud maybe? I also got my dog with me here today. You are. How are you doing, guys? How has your week been? We've got these equal lows right here, so that would be our final target. If we get an opportunity to enter a trade, sell side, okay, like this. On the sell side, I'm just gonna mark out 50% of this range. Yeah, so that would be our discount of the range. So it's very reasonable to target this sell side liquidity as our first target.
You were tripping over text, I'm cool about it. I got ice up in my chest, I'm over it, I confess, but I'm still human, I'm upset. I'm cool about it, don't need nobody. Feels so good, feels so good, feels so good, so good to watch you go. I can't believe I survived, I'm alive, there's one version now. If you think that I'm in pieces, you should know my heart still beating. If you think I'm barely breathing, you should know my heart still beating.
check the news. So we have red folder news, but it's not the net FOMC, that's been yesterday. So that's good. We should expect a lot of volume.
V 10 letih se lahko veliko
Hopefully no
zgodi,
weird
a
manipulation
nekaj vemo
moves.
zagotovo. Z Liebherrjevo brezplačno 10-letno garancijo proizvajalca lahko uživate v popolni svežini. Z najboljšo energijsko učinkovitostjo in dolgotrajno kakovostjo. Kvaliteta brez kompromisov.
Nekega dne bo skodelica kave stala 15 evrov. Kriva je seveda inflacija, nevidni tat, ki potiho uničuje vrednost našega denarja. Od leta 2000 do danes se je vrednost našega denarja več kot razpolovila. Poleg tega pa so cene vsakdanjih stroškov vedno višje. Problem se pojavi, ko kopičimo denar na banki.
Okay, we get
Ta
a
rešitev
shift in
se nam
structure
morda
on
zdi
5
najbolj
minutes.
varna, vendar prinaša
Time frame.
izjemne donose, ki ne pokrijejo niti
Now I'm
inflacije.
expecting a bounce
Edini
from
način,
this
kako
order
se
block,
lahko
this mini
zaščitimo pred
fair value
erosijo
gap to the
naših
upside.
prihrankov je, da del
Another
sredstev
possible entry
premišljeno
could be
investiramo.
in here,
Vendar pa se tudi pri investiranju pojavijo
because we
vprašanja
do
ter
have
problemi. Kam investirati,
another
kdaj
breaker block now
investirati,
here.
ali sem zamudil, ali sem prezgoden. Na
And
koncu
this
pa se lahko
mini
zgodi še, da naletimo na
consolidation.
prevaro. Da vam olajšamo ta težak proces izbire, smo za vas pripravili brezplačno e-knjigo Kam investirati v letu 2024.
the ads are so annoying.
24/7 on my mind, day and night, all the time. You ain't even by my side. Yeah. 24/7
This is the
fascinated.
shift.
You got me infatuated. Feel the power in your eyes. Must be voodoo you're doing. It's pulling me back. Does a sip of your potion and my body reacts? Feel the chemicals moving. It's a matter of fact. Every time that you touch me, my body reacts, reacts, reacts. 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 My body reacts. Must be voodoo you're doing. It's pulling me back. Does a sip of your potion and my body reacts? Feel the chemicals moving. It's a matter of fact. Every time that you touch me, my body reacts, reacts, reacts. 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 24/7 on my mind, day and night, all the time. Like my body's hypnotized, yeah. 24/7 dominated.
I'm gonna be super patient today with the setup, because from now on I'm really trying to focus only on the best setups possible. Because I just figured out that risking really small money is gonna help me build the habits that I need to trade, but that can take me over a year to finish the evaluation challenge, and I don't wanna spend that much time because I know what I'm looking for. I've been studying some ICT content from the 22 mentorships, so that really gave me a clear picture of what I should be looking for, what I'm really comfortable trading. So we already are at the first fair value gap. We just stepped into this order block. Paired with this one. So this could be our point where we actually go back up and hunt this side of liquidity. But if this is the power of 3 model, we get a clear consolidation here, manipulation move to the top, and since we have been going up for the past 4 hours, I'm expecting some kind of pull back lower. And I think this is the right time frame that we should be looking at. We also have another fair value gap here. Let's see what ECS is doing. Yeah, same thing. There was possible entry here, but I don't like this price action because it's, even if it's not choppy, the moves are so weird because we are very low at on the scale, and the moves are not that big, so it looks a little mechanical. YM also, okay, YM took out this side of liquidity. So that was the S&P. Yeah, the possible entry was inside of here, but I don't like to trade YM because it's doing its own thing most of the time. Okay, so this is the most probable entry that we're going to be looking at if we get to this point, because this fair value gap is also in line with the 15-minute fair value gap. That's good, and we have like a consolidation in here that's possible bouncing point. If we get a clear indication that we are going to be going up, my bias could switch. For now it's still bearish, so yeah. The market opens in 4 minutes. We are definitely hunting this liquidity, but so far there's no opportunity to enter short. We could have entered here, but since we just made a structure shift on a 5 minutes time frame, I'm expecting some sort of pullback to the top, at least to 50% of this range, which would align with this range here. So this fair value gap is our possible entry, but we must see like a sweep of this liquidity, then strong displacement to the upside and continuation. Still very bearish. So yeah, now we're gonna sit back and relax. Possible entry.
now the market just opened. We're in consolidation. This could be the start of the sell model, but there's a buy side over there.
But I keep a little
Oh yeah,
space
so
for when you come
forward.
around.
Last time
Why don't you come
value.
around? Come on, open up the door. What you waiting for? All the lights are down. In this
Now,
empty
my
house,
next goal, so I'm funded 150k with my funded futures. Now, next I'm going to try Apex. I'm going to, at least I want to get funded with 10 accounts with Apex. I'll do that in June though. I don't want to try to make money on the live account, then try to pass challenges. I'll just do one thing at a time. So okay, market open. Expect these lows to go now. I would not be shocked if that happens. Trading a large range day is low probability, then don't trade a large range day. How do you embrace losses and not revenge trade? Well, there's two things. One, if I revenge trade, I'm actually doing it with very, very small risk. And eventually I catch myself and I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? And how do I catch myself? It's just, I don't judge myself by losses. That's basically the thing. I don't judge myself by losses. A loss does not define me as a trader, right? Like, think about this. Let me get this. So the low is going to be gone now. Again, that was random. I will show you guys. Let's go. Okay, I'll show you inside of the second trade. So you don't trade Forex anymore? I do. Okay, we'll do. Okay, so let's look at what it. Okay.
So I'm only two cards.
Don't be so quick to
That.
walk away.
Oh shit.
Dance with me,
That's
you
not what
don't
I
have
want.
to play. Please
Let's
stay.
move up or
Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play.
So,
Dance with me,
this is
let me
one thing
rock
that
you
you guys
till the
have
break
to
of
understand
day.
when you are
Cause
trading.
between me and no
And
taste
that
is
is,
like
we'll
having
look
no
into this very,
love.
very soon.
Talk to me fine.
You need to understand that when you are trading, let's say you have a 50% win rate, which means you win half of your percent chance that after 1,000 trades, you take 8 losses in a row. So, like if you have a 90%, an 85% win rate, you're going to still take 3 losses in a row. So, to me, I find it crazy when people are like, oh, he took a loss, whatever, oh, he took a loss, whatever, he's not profitable. It's like, I know that the people that are saying that, took a loss, whatever, he's not profitable, right? Because the reality is, any profitable trader knows that losses are an extreme part of the game. For me, it genuinely doesn't matter if I finish. Listen, I finished January -6R. My results for this year on FX, which by the way, that answers your question. I'm still trading FX. I'm still consistently trading FX. Where's that at? So January, I finished minus 6R.
Hmm. This could be the shift. Okay, so we just took out major liquidity level, so we could be expecting a run higher. So for that we must see a clear displacement to the upside through this high, through these highs right here. So this is the fair value gap we must run through. Gotta stay patient, because there's no point in hurrying. If I don't get a clear setup that would really convince me that we're going back up higher, I'm not gonna enter. But this does make a lot of sense that as a turning point, because we do get kind of a low resistance liquidity run right here. Yeah, we just tapped into this one. Instant rejection. So news coming out, and we're going down. Okay. Yeah, this could be the sweep. Definitely looks like it. If we close bullish, yeah, that's a strong indication that we're probably going to return back to these highs. I'm gonna mark this, but it's not certain yet. 15-minute one still quite bearish, so this to me looks like it's gonna get below these lows here. Bullish close on the 1-minute candle. We did sweep this low, which is kind of the start of this range right here, so that could be our possible liquidity sweep, and we can expect maybe to turn back higher. Yes, slows very slowly. I mean, moves very slowly. Still attacking sell side liquidity. Yeah, we're returning back to these lows. But he has already like rebalanced this gap, so on 15-minute, right? Yeah, still bearish. Order block inside of here, but this big range bothers me. think we're going just straight down to this, but until we get a nice opportunity to get into trade, I'm not gonna open any positions. Unfortunately, there hasn't been opportunity to enter here. We could enter here, but nothing's certain here, so yeah, we are going down. So the Nasdaq just moved over 150 points in a single day, in 1 hour. So yeah, this could be the entry, but that would be a nice trade. But right now, where are we gonna target? These lows? Yeah, maybe these lows. Boom, just swept through them. Quick tap of the fair value gap, still going down. We didn't touch the opening yet. Because candle opened here, so I've got that marked out. One hour candle closing in 5 minutes. But it seems like we're gonna hunt these lows here, these equals. So, but at the same time, we're like exactly at the 50% of this range. That was not the sweep, we're gonna remove that. Gonna remove this also. We might not get an opportunity to get into trade this today, but that's fine. As I said in the start, I'm not looking to trade every single move. Like this would be, if we caught this, that would be like a huge profit, but there was no opportunity to enter. Like I could enter anywhere and I would just be fine. Like literally anywhere at any fair value gap, but I want to see like more clear retracements. This would be like the only opportunity, but how would I know that it's not gonna just go up, you know? I don't think we're gonna touch anything today. I think the opportunity to enter is here, around here. Stops here and targeting these equal lows. That would be an insane amount of points to cover. Yeah. So even with 2 micro contracts, like, that's a lot of money. So we're getting a strong push up right now. There could be a setup forming to the bull side. Because this could be the market structure shift actually. Inside of here. They have close bearish. That's not gonna be like an opportunity to enter long. No, I don't like this. There might be an order block here that we're gonna respect and move up, but if we respect this and move up above this high, then we know that we're gonna, like in the next candle, we're gonna turn back higher. So I just gotta see what the next candle is gonna do. If we break above this, then we're hunting like this sell side, buy side liquidity at a 50% of the range. So that's gonna be another opportunity. That might be another opportunity to trade low higher. So right now all these candles like are super huge. Usually there's something like this. This right here is just insane. As I said, we had a almost 200 points move in 1 hour. That's insane. I just want to see how we hold this fair value gap and this one right here. Because it looks like we're disrespecting it, so yes, very bearish, creating equal lows down here. So yeah, that could be swept like in a minute. We already just ran through this bullish fair value gap. YM, same thing, equal lows. What are we hunting here? We already took out everything, I think. Yeah, nothing to sweep here. As I said, YM doing its own thing always. Still have plenty of time to launch, so but we are respecting this bullish fair value gap here. So if we see a move higher, I'm expecting bullishness from this price action. I might be if we get an opportunity to get into trade like around here. So yeah, like that would be still a very nice trade to the upside. One hour still looks like it's creating a weak on the upside, and like it's gonna purge all the downside. Why is there a what's this? Oh yeah, it's my trade setup. So we just respected this fair value gap. I'm gonna remove this because it's disturbing me. So this, I don't need this anymore. I'm not gonna do this. There's an S&T. If you break structure, we're gonna have an SMT. Yeah. No break of structure to the upside yet. Still waiting for this to get broken through. Two-minute chart consolidating. Doesn't look like it's returning to the upside yet. What? No, there's no SMT at the highs. There might be an SMT at the lows. Where's the volume? I need to see volume. Still respecting this, so we might actually get an opportunity here, because if we break through this with momentum, then it's clear that we're going down. And I'd be looking for this to hold as an inverse. We're just going sideways right now, so nothing yet to get into. If we miss an opportunity to enter a trade today, that's no problem for me. Like I said, I'm trying to use more size on the trades right now, because I want to finish this like in 4 trades or 3 trades, this challenge, and it's gonna force me to only take really quality setups, because this is like a marathon, like we always say in this industry. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and we cannot hurry the process. We just need to continue with the quality trading process, not something that's gonna wreck us and destroy our account again, because I already blew like 4 accounts, I think, or 5. It's not a good feeling. The last one was on the same prop firm. I really like this prop firm because it allows me to trade from Slovenia, and the conditions are quite good. I also got a discount for the membership. Yeah, and I can trade from TradingView directly from here, so that's kind of nice. I might take a long here right now, because this is a strong push. So we held the bullish or fair value gap, paired with an order block. Now this is another order block that we could respect, but to the downside. But if we look at the higher time frame, this could be just a retracement back up to this area right here. So I'm gonna actually mark this out right here. What's that on a 5 minutes? Yeah, that's paired with this order block. We ran through this one. We could still close bearish, so this is still not the it's not a setup that I'm comfortable taking in. There's a 2 candle order block paired with a fair value gap, so that's a nice entry, but not for me. I'm looking at the more classic 2022 model. Yeah, so we get a shift in market structure here, but not through here. We have an S&T over here. Okay, that's looking nicer actually. Because you did just take out this side, this sell side liquidity, we have an SMT over here, but we did not return to this. Still no opportunity. I don't want to take this kind of moves over here, even though this could be a nice move to the upside. I'm still more bearish than bullish because I'm looking for a confirmation to the downside, like a break of structure, market structure shift around here, then to the downside, paired with fair value gap, quick retracement, and then going lower. That would be our optimal entry for today, because we did kind of build more sell side liquidity here, paired with this, and we have a lot of equal lows here. And this entry right here would be counter trend, so we are holding this bullish fair value gap. I'm just gonna remove this because it's not something that I'm really looking for right now. So this is the 15-minute fair value gap right now. I'm gonna be watching this right now. What's about to happen? This could be our entry around here or around here. I think we're gonna sell off to the downside. It does look like we're selling off, so I'm gonna mark this. I would want to see this get taken, but it's holding, it's still holding. Ajde, ugasno.
A? A?
Ja, ugasno sam telefon. Mm. gonna get tapped in or not? I'm gonna enter here, move my stop here. We're gonna go in, and we're in. We're in a trade. We're in a trade right now. We're getting reaction to the downside. Okay. I just hope the trend continues to the downside. I think we're gonna target these lows here. I want to see a break of this. Wait, I don't want to see the executions. Not right now. We are holding this, so that's good. This could be the sweep, because we did get relatively equal highs right here. This is an order block. I want to see price gets pushed down. Maybe waiting for a better entry would be better, but we created another fair value gap on the bullish side, so inverted fair value gap. Let's mark this out again. Order block. Now I want to see a reaction. That's good. That push lower was good, but I want to see more pressure to the downside. I'm gonna move this here. Okay. We're pushing lower now. Depending on the situation, I might add to my position. I just want to see this hold, like this gap. Okay, nice close. I want to see the last second push down. I think we're gonna get stopped out right here. Do I want to move my stop higher or not? Okay, that's a nice push back down. I just want to see the continuation of this. I want to see a move lower. No real fair value gap. ES looking very bearish, so I'm expecting this to break through now. I want to see break through this fair value gap. I don't like this. Come on. "15 minutes still holding." And I don't like these highs here. They're too close. Yeah, we're good. We're getting stopped out. I've already accepted the loss. Like, it's fine. If we lose this, I'm not gonna re-enter. I'm just gonna step away. Yeah, that's it for... That's it. Ten seconds still close. I just need to see like a break of structure over here, but we're not gonna get it. Yep, we're getting out. We're getting stopped. Pretty sure. Yep, look, we're so close to it. Like, if we don't, it's a miracle. Boom. Wait. No, we're out. We're definitely out. We're out. Okay. So that was a $200 loss, I think. Almost 300. Yeah, that's not a lot. It's fine. It's fine. We might re-enter. Guess this could be the sweep, you know. If I were to enter here, yeah, that would be a nice trade. Will there be an S&T at the tops? I think there will. I just need to see a break to the downside, then I'm gonna re-enter. Yeah, something like this. I should have moved my stop higher, I'm pretty sure. Because right now I would be still in. But then, if it does go higher, I'm gonna lose more money, so... And I think I entered just because I didn't want to, like, miss out again. But this seemed like a good setup. Maybe it just wasn't. Because I usually trade around here. Around this time, not over here. At 11 AM in New York. What is this? Are we gonna push through or? Yeah, we are. We're pushing through. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're in again. Let's see now how this plays out. I'm giving this my last shot. Last chance for today. As long as this holds, we're fine. Okay, that's a good move. I'm not gonna take profit instantly here unless I'd rather manage my stop loss. Awesome, awesome, awesome reaction. Close very bearish. That's amazing. That's amazing. I want to see us close bearish. Something like that at least. That would be good. Now push lower. Yeah, like that. I want to see a break of this. Then we'll be fine. I want to see a break of this, take a little bit of profit, and then move my stop loss for the last contract closer. Okay, good move. I'm gonna move my stop. We're 5 contracts in. I just wanna see this gets taken. Come on. That was so close. I'm gonna move this here. Come on, push lower. I'm gonna stand up and start blowing into my monitor if it doesn't happen. Come on. Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Modify this back to 3. We are a little bit in profit, so I'm gonna move this to break even here. I'm gonna take off here. 1. Okay. Now we got Beautiful. Beautiful. I just want to see us continue lower. I want to see another strong move to the downside. That would be amazing. With the contracts from here. Wait, so why is it not working? Okay. This needs to hold. I need to see this hold. If it doesn't, then it's like short of a thing that we're getting stopped out here. Still a little bit in profits, but that's fine. I just don't want to see us. Yeah, we're going out of this. Yeah. Okay. still made a little bit of profit today, so that's fine. It could have been $100 higher, but that's fine. Like, I've made profit today. I was not emotional. I was a little getting nervous over here. Got stopped out by literally how much? So that's 1.5 points. That's what stopped me out. Let's take a look at the executions. So yeah, we sold here, bought here. I mean, we got stopped out, then we bought over here, sold to here, 2 more. Yeah, this was just a little bit of profit. Yeah, I should have held them. Should have held, take out to here. That would be a lot better, yeah. That's fine, that's fine. Should have taken out 2 more here, but that's okay. Like, I don't mind. We made profit, so that's probably gonna be it for today. I was disciplined. Maybe just this first entry was, I was scared that I'm gonna move this move. So yeah, I still need to work on my patience, but that's pretty awesome. We're slowly growing the account. That's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We didn't have many watchers. Oh, someone's watching right now. Yeah, hi there. But that's it. See you next week, I guess, because tomorrow I probably won't be trading.